So, my dear runners or students, teachers, and all those people who like biology, I want to present this evening as a continuation Biology Confidential Requirements KCSE 2006. Remember I told you these practicals, I was part and parcel marking them. So I had the privilege of participating. So welcome guys. So we start with the requirements of question 1. You required to deal with photographs obtained from the same region of a mammalian body or neck region, and the photographs were labeled K, are different views of the same bone, while M and N are views of different bones. So guys, it's like, now question 1 on the confidential paper was silent. Remember, they don't give you the materials, or they don't tell you which question is which. They just tell you the materials which you prepare for that examination. And therefore, the materials which were given could not suggest that question 1 was photographs. So, those are the photographs. And from the photographs, you can see the bones. Ventral view, that is bone K, you are seeing ventral view and posterior view. Bone M, side view. Bone N, posterior view. Okay, so let me try to adjust the camera so that you can see each of the bones very, very clearly. So that is bone K, posterior view, ventral view, and the posterior view. This is bone M, side view, and finally you have bone N, posterior view. So from far, that is the way they look like. So you can easily see them from far, that they look like that. Guys, those are the bones, but I've shown you the bones at close range, and now you know N. you know, K is two views of the same bone. That is ventral view and posterior view, while M is side view and N is posterior view. So that is the way the bones look like. Question 2. 20 ml distilled water in 50 ml beaker labeled R1. 20 ml saturated salt solution, sodium chloride, in 50 milliliters beaker labeled L2. Forceps, blotting paper, crock or means of timing. Continuation of question 2. 2 pieces of plant material obtained from a young herbaceous plant. Young herbaceous stem of Transcantia, labeled specimen D. And you can see the way you are supposed to cut them. The pieces should preferably be cut from first internode from the top. They should measure 3 centimeters and then as couple. Question 3. 3 sets of potted seedlings as follows. 1 grown under normal condition labeled A, set A. 1 grown in dark labeled set B. 1 grown in the dark with unilateral source of light labeled specimen C. The curvature of the seedlings in set C to one's source of light should be obvious. Question 3, continuation. Results for the seedlings in set C in a trial experiments. The trials were carried out with small plastic planting bags. Small plastic planting bags would be convenient for schools with a large number of candidates. However, tin cans, cut plastic bottle, etc. can be used. Although beans can be used, the results below were obtained with cowpeas. Cowpeas which had been soaked overnight were planted, kept in the dark to accelerate growth, and were ready after 80 days during the month of May when temperatures were moderate. After covering with a box with a slate at the height of the seedlings, the curvatures were showing after only 4 hours. Trials needed to be carried out to establish how long the seeds take to germinate and also to have apparent curvatures. Different types of seeds and temperatures are factors to consider. So, it's like question 3 was prepared throughout so that by the time the examination was done, you had various stages of plants growing, right? And therefore, teachers are advised to time when they are doing the examination so that they can get the correct seedlings required for this examination. So guys, that brings us to the end of the confidential requirements of KCSE Biology practical paper of 206. Good night and see you in the question paper proper.